Hi, my name is Veronica, and I'm a certified TEFL English teacher originally from the Czech Republic. I've lived in Scotland for the past 5 years, so I really understand what is it like to learn and use a second language in everyday life. That's why I can relate to my students' learning journey and always offer a personalized approach based on their individual needs. I know how important it is to feel confident when speaking English, and I'm endeavored to create a space where students can practice, grow, and feel supported every step of the way. Ahoj, čeština je můj rodný jazyk a proto vím přesně, jaké chyby běžně dělají čeští studenti v angličtině a umím jim ukázat jednoduché kroky, jak se zlepšit. My teaching style is friendly, clear, and always student-focused. I'm super excited about the opportunity to work with Mundavo, and I can't wait to meet my future students. See you in class.